Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whisper for July 11th. Let's get started with the SPY. We did have some numbers that came out about a couple minutes ago. Looks like we moved down just a little bit, but we are going to be bullish above 300. Obviously, everybody's watching that number. The E-minis already crushed it. They're above it at 3,001. But the SPY still has not yet reached that big 300. So bullish above it and bearish below 298.60. Yeah, that's a pretty key level. You can see I have these moving averages on my 5-minute chart there. If we do go below that, that would be a retracement trade. Let's go to the E-minis. All right, so today we're going to be bullish above 3,650. Why? Well, we had volume there pre-market all the way up there. That's why I picked that 50 cents. Really key. We need to go above that. Bearish below 3,000. That's a big number. Let's go to the Russell. IWM bullish above 156.20 today. And bearish below 155.37. The QQQs bullish above 193.50 and bearish below 192.75. Really looking at that trade. If we do go below this 4 EMA, right? This is the retracement trade set up for the QQQs on the downside, going to support. So watch that. Oil was a huge winner yesterday. Yeah, loving the oil trade. We've been killing it. We were trading Schlumberger. Most of us in the room, thank you, Paul, for leading the way on that trade. But you got to watch these oil futures, right? These are so key. So we're going to be bullish above 61.12. I did spot some volume from 60.76 to 60.87 pre-market, and we are below that right now. So we are testing the 60.50 level. Yep, that's my bearish below level right now for a retracement trade down to the pivot. So let's see if it holds it or not. Yep, look at that. You can just see that it's holding it. So cool. Love these levels. You can see the volume also that just came in as we went to that major level. Let's go to gold futures. I'm just going to switch this over here. All right, gold has been an amazing trade for us as well in the pit. We had a really big move overnight. We came up to this major level. In fact, let me just show you on a weekly chart. We've been watching this. Yep, see this level? This is a trend line going all the way back. I'm waiting for a close above that. Yep, we've up-thrusted all these wicks. This week we went right up to it last night. And it has just been a wall of resistance. So if we can close above it today, well, Friday, really close above that, yep, then I'm uber bullish. And we had tons of prints on GDX yesterday, which I'm going to go over in just a minute. But bullish above 14.24, bearish below 14.19 for a retracement trade. All right, AMD has been a monster today. Bullish above 34.20, bearish below 33.70. I did spot a big seller on the book at 34.20. Yeah, he's still there. Yep, and a buyer at 33.50, and he's still there. Yep, so those are key levels. I always watch this book when I give you levels. Bearish below 33.70, but watch that buyer if it does come down. Let's see, Bed Bath and Beyond getting hit this morning. Only bullish above 11.50, bearish below 10.87. Apple's got some volume this morning, bullish above 204.50. And bearish below 202.75. Micron has been a beast today, bullish above 43.50, bearish below 42.87. Delta had earnings, and I think I might be responsible for this stock going up. I fly Delta a lot. Bullish above 61.20, so watch that level now. Bearish below 60.20 for a retracement trade down. Now let's hit gold, GDX. Yeah, we love trading this. Bullish above 26 53, and bearish below 26.06. You know what? I have to change that. I'm not really happy with those levels. I want to be bearish below 25. I'm going to change that. 94 below the prints. 25. Sorry. 87. And yeah, hold on. Yeah, I just realized that those prints, we always want to short below the prints and go long above the prints. So I just missed that this morning. 25.50. Okay. For a retracement trade. Bank of America. Yeah, it could have some movement today, tomorrow, before earnings next week. So we're going to watch the 29.20 level. All right, bullish above that and bearish below 29. XOP had some really big prints. Oil and gas exploration. I love this trade. We're swinging this overnight. But watch 27.12 for a day trade. All right, to wherever this 50 simple moving average is, it's going to have resistance. It was actually higher yesterday. It moved down a little bit overnight. So wherever that is, yeah, you definitely want to take some profits. And then, of course, if we break above it, second test, yeah, sky's the limit. There's a lot of room. We had massive prints, massive prints yesterday, so watch that. XLP also, massive prints on XLP. Consumer staples, Coca-Cola, MO, PG. It's been on a run, those guys. And now we got these really big prints, 59.42, 59.46. I actually put a strangle on this into those guys' earnings. Yeah, really cheap strangle. So as long as it moves in either direction, I'm good. But I will add to the right one. One more stock that's not on my list, but I must go over. CVS, insider trading. Oh, yeah. Did you see that big print that we had? Well, I'm sure you did. I posted it out on the app on July 1st. Massive 2.2 million print at 54.78. You trying to tell me somebody didn't know about this news beforehand and did a monster massive 2.2 million trade? This is what happens. And when you follow the dark pool, get used to it, okay? It happens every single day. We see prints before terror attacks. We see prints before so many big events over the years. If you haven't read my book, darkpoolsecrets.com, go ahead, get it. It's free. All you have to do is pay for shipping. I show you numerous examples on Wells Fargo. And, of course, before that big terror attack, how to spot a correction before it happens. Great book. It's true. There are people that are trading off stuff and it's illegal, but go and try to stop them. But we can profit off of these prints. All right. So just follow the tape. And if you want to trade this today, it really moved up a lot. It's at resistance right here on the 161 EMA. Watch the trend trade. The 15 EMA on a 5-minute chart. You see it here in green. After the first 15 minutes, if it can stay above that, it's usually a gap and go higher. But if it can't stay above that, it's usually a pop and drop. So watch that, watch the levels. If we do get prints on it, I'll definitely call it out. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.